kasi sinasabi yung kapitano, no? Yun talaga advice ng lawyers ko. I should not be telegram.
But she will take a legal recourse because of this case in the house, based on legal recourse.
Kasama yan sa ginagawa ng lawyers. I actually committed to them that I will not be mentioning until may mga pinaka-file. Hindi na muna ayaw ko na muna sabihin kung ano talaga yung legal actions.
Mami, sa committee report daw po nila Senator Gordon, hindi na-establish yung DDS and hindi raw state-sponsored yung killing.
Alam mo, gusto ko na muna makita ulit ang report, no? So that I would have my own, I will decide kung anong gagawin ko. Magdi-dissent ba ako? Pipilma ba ako dyan? O magdi-dissent ba ako? But that's why hindi ko gusto yung meron na tayong termination of the proceedings. To me, it's still premature. Okay? Kasi bakit hindi na papakinggan yung mga other CHR witnesses? So, any conclusion that the killings are not state-sponsored, to me, would also be premature.
So anong gagawin ng Senator? Anong move ang gagawin ninyo? Will you make a separate report on that?
I don't know if as a member I am entitled to come up with a separate report because I'm just a member. Well, I think that I can dissent, or I can make reservations about the findings and recommendations. That's why I want to see first the report. Kasi the members of the two committees, the Justice and Human Rights and the Public Order and Illegal Drugs, will also deliberate first on the report, and then we will see whether we will adopt the report or not, or whether the majority will adopt the report. So titingnan ko na muna kung anong itsura ng report before I decide whether I will concur or I will dissent.
But sa report, consider ma'am na huwag mo lang sahan para mapakinggan mo na yung mga teacher.
Yeah, it's actually my plea. Hindi lang kasi kami nagkakaroon ng opportunity na within the committee ay mag-discuss kami on that. Sana meron mo ng ganun na opportunity na pag-usapan yan at the committee level.
Kaya si Matubato daw the risk, perjury, pero pwede rin daw ma-recommend ng murder. Pwede ba yun? Hindi napahamak pa siya. Umarap lang naman siya.
Well, unfortunately, I don't think merong ganun magiging magandang batayan for perjury. Kasi the guy says na totoo yung mga sinasabi niya. And then meron bang contrary evidence? And dapat kasi wag din kaagad-agad dismiss yung testimony ni Edgar Matubato.
What about murder? Then nag-admit daw siya ma'am na may mga pinatay siya. Pwede ba yun na napahamak siya sa testimony niya dito?
Well, sabi naman ni Mr. Matubato, di ba wala naman siya pakialam kung anong mangyari sa niya? Basta ba na i-share niya yung kanyang alam. But syempre, unfair naman yun na although at the risk of, ganyan, he still went ahead. He still went ahead at hindi nga siya binibigyan ng immunity.
Ma'am,
walang witness, responsibility si Panginoon.
Well, it's not surprising anymore, but it's not fair at all. It's not fair.
Ma'am, what do you think of the President's statement na meron nga raw talagang EJK and vigilante killings pero hindi raw siya yung nag-release?
So ngayon, iba na yung kanyang sinasabi. Di ba, akala ko ba, the buck stops with him. Akala ko ba siya, he will be solely responsible for that. And in fact, magbibigay pa siya ng pardon sa mga policemen who may be charged. So ano na naman yan? Iba pa iba-iba. Dati, ang tapang-tapang. na ganun ang sinasabi, na is willing to die for the Philippines, for the Filipinos, basta ba ma-achieve niya yung gusto niya na yung eradicating the drug menace through that approach. Diba? So, I don't know, maybe, then, well, nagsalita na kasi yung ICC eh. And I've been warning about him on that. See? Diba? Siniseryoso dapat yung mga ganyang bagay eh. Hindi yung nagtatapang-tapangan, tapos only in the end, ay babawiin. Babawiin yung tapang.
Senator, ano pong masasabi niyo dun sa HOR na walang ma-establish na connection niyo?
Kasi gano'n naman talaga. Wala naman talaga sila ma-establish na connection ko kasi hindi naman talaga yan totoo. Ilang beses ko na sinasabi yan. Kahit araw-araw niyo ako tanungin kung totoo ba yung sinasabi nila na involved ako sa drugs.
So you feel...
Ganyan naman talaga. Wala naman talaga silang maituturo sa akin
So
na
you feel
diretsyo.
vindicated na ano?
Kung vindication ang hanap ko, hindi lang ganyang klaseng vindication ang hanap ko. Ang hanap kong vindication ay yung totohanang vindication na huminto na sila dahil sa ginagawa nila. Dapat o huminto na sila dyan sa mga sinasabi nila, yung mga pagpaparatang nila sa akin. Huminto na sila sa mga kasinungalingan nila.
Last week that the president there is no systematic
if you look at our reports, maraming rin in 2010 to 2016.
Kasama yun sila.
Hinahanap namin yung extrajudicial killing na tinatawag natin. Kung liberal, maraming extrajudicial, lahat extrajudicial killing. Yung mga riding in tandem, ang dami. Kinuha namin lahat dyan.
But aside from the PNP, sino pang tatamaan, sir, ng report?
Like I said last time, mukhang hindi mapapagkatiwalaan yung kanyang statement because ang dami niyang kasinungalingan sinabi, pabago-bagong statement. Yung pabago, hindi yung inconsistency lang. Vital eh.
So hindi siya kasama sa, sir? Pero sir, sa report? Hindi niyo
Kasama sa report yan.
yung testimony niya, sir, isinama niyo po.
Baka ma-perjury siya at the least. Yeah, and at the very late, at the most, they will have to look for murder charges against him because he admitted it.
So kasama sa recommendation.
Okay na, we will submit it to the appropriate authorities for proper disposition.
Perjury and
Davao PNP, sir, may kakasuhan.
Kahit administrative.
Wala pa. Pero yung gagawin namin recommendations, madali ng kasuhan.
Sir, Davao, that's what, sir, kasama?
Kasama yan.
Sir, yung
Sir, si
murder
Presidente.
na ano?
Si Presidente, sir.
Wala naman dito sa report ko. Kinukuha
Sir, si Presidente safe. Hindi siya in any way
For the moment.
What do you mean, sir?
That is my report. Wala na-approve eh.
So wala siya, sir?
Wala naman na-approve eh. Sila. Unang-una, let me just say this. Wala akong tinawag kundi yung mga local police. Sila lahat ang tumawag at bumuwelta sa kanila yung mga tinawag nila. Yun ang problema nila. Hindi naman dapat sila o kami. Ginagawa nila sila o kami. Pagkakamali, they're concluding before they cross-examine. Kaya naniniwala sila sa sarili nilang cross-examination. Dapat i-prove mo muna yung kaso mo.
So sir, nandun yung Davao Death Squad pero not linking to President Duterte?
Wala na prove eh. May pulis sasabi, hindi pa ako pulis dyan.
So
Wala ako dyan.
Pero sir, ang na-prove is may DDS. Ganun ba?
Wala. Wala naman na-prove eh.
Walang na-prove na may DDS. Pero sir, na-establish
Iba eh.
sir, may EJK alter his term.
Ha?
Na-establish sir, may establish din sa report na may...
Let's put it this way, para hindi kayo malito.
sir.
Definitely, maraming patayan. To be fair, maraming patayan nung araw pa na hindi nasusolve. Yan ang mas malaking problema. Nagiging uso lang because maingay ang presidente at mayroon akong statement to that effect. Cautioning him. Admonishing him. Pero ang gano'n.
So, established nga, sir, yung EJK up to this time meron,
Because
sir.
pag nagsasalita ka ng gano'n, pwede kang pagka may nakahuli ng testimony na may inutusan ka, di delikado ka sa ICC talaga.
Sir, kasi sinasabi ni President...
Ayoko naman magkaroon tayong presidente na ICC.
Sir, ang sinasabi ni
I mean,
President...
first, general rule, walang may gusto sa atin mapapaya ang buong Pilipinas na ang presidente natin tinabago. Kaya I have to caution him.
Sir, pero sinasabi ni President, kahit mismo siya ina-admit niya na may EJK, pero sinasabi niya hindi state-sponsored. Doon sa ano niyo, sir, sa report niyo,
I don't think it's state-sponsored.
so hindi rin lalabas na
If you
ganun,
look
sir.
at all the local governments, being a former mayor, di ba nung araw si Fred Lim meron? Di ba? Di ba? Meron ganun. Sinasabi niya pa, Dirty Harry. Di ba? Kayo nagsasabi. Di ba?
So, sir, ganun,
Yung
sir.
ba local government sponsored? State sponsored ba yan?
Sir-
Pinayagan ni Cory.
So, lalo pa, sir,
Pag kung
EJK...
talaga dudusin, halimbawa yung kay Moison, kung bubuksan mo yung kaso yun, nakasakay doon sa truck ng pulis, tatlo sila doon kasama, namatay si Moison, nakaposa.
Sir, not state-sponsored pero state-inspired kaya dahil sa mga statements.
Put it this way, the fact that there is a new policy, a new sheriff in town that says we will not fool around, I'm violating my rule right now, I should not be talking to you. The fact that sinasabi ng Presidente, kalaban natin ang drugs, the fact na tinanggal niya yung maskara ng 5 general, that opened the dam na barilin yung mga konektado na pulis sa mga drugs. Naniniwala ako, maraming pulis na involved yan. Pero is that state sponsored?
Sir, with that,
Sila mismo gumagalaw.
sir, nasa report niya.
Oh, ano ba siya?
So, yung police mismo gumagalaw, sir? Not,
Yes, meron akong evidence doon
even
eh.
without the orders,
May
sir?
ebidensya ako dun.
Even not under the orders naman.
Kaya lang, alam mo, kasi I'm coming from the fact that I was mayor also, pero not nothing to do with the investigation. Nag-mayor ako dyan eh. Pag sinabi ko ng araw, ayoko may snatcher sa kalya, kayo ang madadali ko, alam ko nag-aalaga ka dyan. Wala yun. Alis yun.
Sir, yung murder recommendation against sino ba yun? Matubato, sir. Yun dun for the killing, sir, ng mga ano, for his own admission, sir, na may mga pinatay siya in the past.
Kaya nga, I was very careful with him. You have to have a lawyer. You have to have a lawyer. Lahat na sasabihin mo dyan, pwede gamitin siya in a court of law.
Sir, sorry, may PNP official na makakasuhan. Sinabi mo pa yun.
In the future, mas madali silang kasuhan.
So, ano, sir, yun multiple, sir. Dahil marami siyang, sir, inamin na pinatay. So, multiple yung,
Kaya nga sinabi ko, makakasuhan siya. Pero whether it will be proven, it will be easier to prove with him because may self-admission against self-interest.
Sir, last na lang, in terms of legislation, ano yung recommendation ng
Ha?
In terms of legislation,
Marami.
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 Sir, no,
Alam niyo naman, ano siya nasa ko eh. Let the cards fall where they may. Kayo gumawa na sitwasyon, pinapaayos siya sa amin, aayusin namin. Pipilit kong ipasaya, ako mag-i-sponsor sa court. Happy ako eh. Dati, natapos ko yung sitting, natapos ko iba, hindi na nabot sa floor dahil paalis na ako nun eh. Ngayon, marami akong oras, may papayal ko lahat siya.
no PNP officials, pero yung
As a committee report, ha?
taga-IAS, sir, meron mapapile ng report.
Sa?
Or charges
Internal
against
affairs.
IAS, internal affairs.
For siguro the fact na hindi sila gumagawa, baka mapalitan yan eh. Baka palitan ko ng ibang retired justices would be involved pagka may mga police killings.
So, dismissal, gano'n, suspension or dismissal?
Alis sa IAS?
Yes, sir.
Wala naman pa rin.
Paano siya admonish?
Una-una, ang hirap naman parusahan yung kulang sila sa tao. Hindi seryoso. If you want me to ask, we're not serious in determining guilt, especially for policemen. Magkabaro. Hindi sila, pagka magkabaro, wala. Hinihinaan nila yung pledge, hinihinaan nila yung IAS. May powers ang PNP Director General mag-suspend, magtanggal ka agad. Kaya kung ako ang PNP Director General, at the very least, suspendido na yung dalawa, si Laksamana at saka yung sa Mindoro.
But when you said natatamaan yung PNP, yung mag-recommend kayo ng ganyan, sir, na for dismissal, for suspension, ganun
Meron
ba?
na yan, meron na. Hindi nga ini-implement. Hindi, in the future, pagka hindi sila kumilo, sabihin sila.
But yung officials.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Sir, death penalty. Diba last time you tried to tackle the death penalty in relation to the EJK?
No, hindi mo kami napos doon.
So, sa next
Ito
year.
lang, sa next area.
When will be the
I'm not schedule 1 yet, but we will schedule 1 yet. Nakiusap lang si Manny doon. At saka sa akin may relasyon eh. Hindi naman frivolous yun eh. Kung saan ba may death penalty ka for drugs, this one is drugs. Isasama ko yun. Kung gusto na lang ilagay sa report yun, I will say I don't agree with this, but I will put it as part of my report. Death penalty.
Thank you.
but there are reports na merong Chinese vessel carrying truckloads of land coming from Zambales.
There is an inordinate amount of traffic. Ang dami. Daan libo, mawala ng milyon. Napakagaling nung ginawa. Unang-unang magpapasalamat ako sa NAMRIA. Napakita nila yung extent talaga na pag-damage sa ating mundo. At lumalabas talaga, napakaraming truck ang ginamit para ilabas. Nakakaduda kung bakit gano'n. It could be happening elsewhere. That's why I intend to also ask kung ganyan rin nangyayari sa Agusan, sa Surigao at ibang lugar.
Pero sir, is it clear na doon dinadala sa reclamation?
No. Kasi nagkamali ng computation si Dr. Arcilla. Sabi niya 350 million raw ang kailangan na metric tons, cubic meter para ma-reclaim. Wala naman reclamation going on in Scarborough Shoals. But it could have been used sa Spratlys. Mas malapit sa Palawan yan. Kaya meron silang ganyan sa Palawan. So, insofar as that is concerned, dalawang issue dyan. Di ba kami tapos doon sa reclamation? It may not be at Scarborough Shoals, but it could be elsewhere. Tatalin rin natin yung ibang lugar. No? Pangalawa, yung ginagawa na talagang napakaraming truck. Dapat kumita ang gobyerno dyan. Ang lumalabas napakababa ng presyo ng nickel. Kaya tinatanong kong pilit si Dr. Arcilla, meron bang material dyan?
So it's not sand, it's not black sand. Nickel talaga, sir.
Nickel, pero murang-mura ang nickel. Kaya kung ako masusunod, kung na tayo export ng nickel, dahil murang-mura. And if we don't export, then we are one of the biggest suppliers, baka tumaas pa. Saka ka mag-export. Pero in the meantime, because nickel, iron, and chrome are put together to form steel, to make steel, we should already be preparing for a steel plant in this country because wala tayo yan. Yes.
Sir, may na-establish na ba na illegal na activity ngayon na ginagawa sa Zambales? Sabi ng DNR, may permits naman daw po, di ba?
They may have a permit but they're not implementing the law properly. Kaya may damage at maraming nasisirang lupa na pinapagtamnan, maraming ilog na nasisira, pati water, drinking water is probably compromised by that.
Sir, yung dami ng truckloads, yun po ba may violation doon sa dami na yun?
Walang damage kung totoo yun, kung walang cadmium. No? Sabi may cadmium eh. Cadmium, napakamahal nun, very rare yan. But, natama ba ang nakokolekta ang taxes natin yan? Tama ba ang nakokolekta natin sa PPA, sa pagpadala ng barko doon? At siyempre, maraming barges siya. Kung sa computation namin kayo na, umabot ng 1 million trucks lampas eh. Di ba? So kung gano'ng karami araw-araw yan, kung gano'ng karami ang mga ginagamit na sasakyan, 330 trucks doon sa isang lugar, almost 1,000 trucks a day, ano ba meron dyan na sekreto na hindi natin alam?
Sir, yung Sanika, pwedeng palinaw. Sir, yung Sanika, pwedeng palinaw lang. Bakit ho kayo nagagalit? Ano ba naman sa
Sanika, parang may laki-laki ng budget nila, tapos kukuha lang pala sa isang website na nakalagay doon for entertainment purposes. Tapos naka-covered ng intelligence document.
Pero ano yung laman ng report na yun, sir?
Na meron raw missile base sa ilalim ng bundok doon sa Zambales, ang Chinese.
So wala pala, sir?
Well, siyempre, yung radar natin, akit pananiniwala yung governor. Saka Nika eh. Kaya pinasabi ko sa Nika, hindi na sila sumipot. Kaya I am sending an order why they should not be held in contempt. Because parang nagdulo ko sila.
Sir, ano yung concrete move nyo on that issue? Really, you're gonna really look into this budget?
Saan? Sa
Nika, sir.
Oh yeah, definitely. Kung gano'n ang quality ng intelligence report nila, then we should study kung ano talaga ang dapat na ibigay na budget sa kanila. Mukhang tinawag sila kumuha lang sila ng document doon para may pakita sa atin na without reading it. That's a waste of time.
So you also express support kay Governor De Loso dun sa hindi naman talaga
I told him so, di ba? I admonished him in no uncertain terms that he set us off on a wild goose chase. No? But on the other hand, it also opened up naman other opportunities. Nagulat lang ako, bigla sila magkaibigan na parang, yun na, kung ako kay Governor Udane, magagalit ako dahil sabi niya, pinagpili ni Governor Udane yung lupa, no?
Pero do you feel, sir, misled dun sa una niyang info about
Oh, definitely. Definitely, I felt misled. But I will take it with a grain of salt because siyempre bagong governor siya, maninisi siya doon sa kabilang gobernador dahil may damage Di ba? May damage sa Santa Cruz malaki. May namatay pang 6 na tao.
Sir, while you're looking for long-term solutions and even legislation on this, what can the government do right now?
Try to address yung damage sa mga mines agad. Pangalawa, make sure that we have that laboratory for precious materials, yung essential rare materials. Pangatlo, are we collecting the right taxes? Ang dami na magtatrabaho doon. Ang daming barges. Saan mo kinukuha yung barges na yan? Saan mo kinukuha yung 1,000 trucks a day?
Sir, may estimate yung possible
Dapat may
local...
gasoline fees, di ba? Siyempre, malakas sa gasolina yan. Dapat tataas ang income ng gobyerno.
Sir, aside from the setting aside the environmental cost, may estimate kayo how much revenue losses yung ganyan sa barges, sa gasoline?
I don't know. It could be, sabi ko nga kanina, hundreds of millions ang nawawala
Pero
Every
sir, 1,000
Ah.
1,000 trucks ba? Dun sa apat na
1,000
site?
trucks ang computation.
Apat na site pa rin.
Doon pa lang sa isang site.
I mean, apat na companies.
Apat na companies.
Sir, how are you, sino yung mga invite sa next hearing? How are you going to determine whether may reclamation sa Spratlys?
Well, mukhang I think sa Scarborough ang problema Sa Spratlys, matadetermine natin yan kung ilang truck ang ginagamit sa ibang bayan, ilang barko ang umaalis. Di ba tinanong ko, malalaman mo kung saan papunta yung barko. Alam nyo kung saan papunta yung barko dito kung galing sa China. Malalaman mong smuggling. Ganun rin sa atin. Pag lumakad yung barko, ilang tonelada yan, ilang metric tons ang nakasakay sa barko, saan dinala? So, kung ganun kalapit at mabilis ang turnaround sa Spratlys, araw-araw kumukuha sa Zambales di kalalo doon sa Palawan, kalalo doon sa... Saan nila ginagamit yung lupa na yan?
Sir, on EJK, are you releasing the committee report by today, sir? Sa extrajudicial killings?
We have finished the first draft. Pagod daw yung tao, walang tulog, tapos mayroon pa kaya. So, we have finished the first draft. We'll talk about it right now. Kain lang kami sandali. And we'll go over the first draft, tapos na yun. And we'll go with the second draft siguro, and hopefully as early as tomorrow and as late as Wednesday. It will be a little later, tignan natin. Marami pang gagawin, marami pa rin hinihiling.
Pero definitely, sir, not
Tapos na kami.
after the break.
Not after the break.
Just before
It will be before the break.
Yeah.
May i-recommend kayo na possible na
Sa kwan? Huwag muna. Huwag natin usapan dyan. Nag-uusapan pa namin. Meron nakalagay doon.
Na mga kasuhan, sir?
How high, sir, how high?
As senator, sir.
Mataas ba?
Nag-aalala po ng maigit. Kasi kinumpartmentalize ko yung trabaho. Para matapos, hindi mo pwedeng ikaw lang Kailangan kinumpartmentalize ay pagsasamahin. Nakabuo ng first draft. Tingnan namin kung may nakalampas o may nakalusot.
More boys.
Pero senator, sir.
You see me making my next?
Starts with a letter.
Hindi. I really think that merong mga pagkukulang.
So, initial findings, sir.
PNP may pagkukulang malaki. Malaki. Natamaan sila dyan.
So, initial findings from the ones you mentioned.
The extension of the QR by another 2 years would fail or would not be heeded or would lose out. Siyempre, pa naman yan Sa economic cluster, we really have to parang voting kami. Then the next best option would be the tariffication. A tariff that would effectively give the Filipino farmer at even footing sa imported rice.
yung 35 na pinapito.
Mababa yung 35. That's very low. In fact, sabi nga ni Secretary Ordonez kanina, 100% po sa Japan eh. Kami siguro mga 105%. No, I'm just kidding.
Hindi ba sir non-compliant kung sa commitment ng WTO
Hindi naman natin sinasabing kayahin natin 100%.
yung I mean, above yung current.
Ano ba ang iyong suggestion?
Technically, scientifically, it's 72%.
Based on the calculation
Yeah,
under
you take it. 72, not 100. 100 before Japan. But technically, you want to be even now, it's 70%. However, the world will never accept that. That's why we prefer 2-year extension. And at 2 years, he will revolutionize us so that we can fight in 2 years. But in 2 years, but you know, what I want him to do is what our eyes didn't do. It's got to be systematic and decisive. In the past, you know, it's been so undecisive. Imagine irrigation, I publish it, no? Imagine we spent 25 billion. We brag, we have 30,000, right? But we lose about 50,000. So out of 25 billion, we're less 15,000 hectares. Did you know that? My God, that's a new finding. I got it. Well, at any rate, Mr. Piñol will make us capable in 2 years. But we need
With
2
your
years.
help.
If you start now, I'm telling you, I'm telling you this. If you open it now, you don't even have a chance to plant the hybrid. You know why? Because they will lose.
Yeah.
At least give it 2 years, then we'll do the hybrid, do what he wants, and then we'll be ready. You know what I mean? Secretary, we need you. We need you.
Thank you. We need you too.
Tapos sir, yung okay din kayo dun sa big capital payment.
Hindi ako bilib doon.
Kasi, di ba sir yung gagamit, maganda, di ba okay yung gagamitin natin yung tariff revenue mo to parang
Mabuti sana kung automatic na yung tariff ng imported rice mapupunta din sa rice farmers. Hindi naman ganoon eh. It doesn't work that way. Di ba? It doesn't work that way. Hindi naman specific agad yung eto kukulitahin tayo namin tong buwis na ito para sa bigas lang to, para sa rice farmers. Hindi naman ganoon eh.
So paano yung dapat na maging proseso, Secretary, para sa tingin ninyo? Bakit kinokontra
Ako,
ninyo
tingin
yung
ko pa rin,
lifting?
the best option pa rin natin is yung grace period of, let's not even call it extension, grace period of 2 years. Kasi, sabi ko nga kanina, you have to understand that sunod-sunod yung calamities eh. We went through extraordinary conditions. Yung Yolanda, wipe out yung the whole Central Visayas.
Pero 2 years, anong may implementation po?
Because yung target nga natin is abutin natin yung 1.3 million hectares na na irrigated for us to be able to increase the
Pero Secretary, itong mga bagyo na to, normal to sa bansa natin eh. So how would you strengthen yung mga farmers natin? Paano natin sila palalakasin kung palagi namang ganito yung nangyayari?
Ang problema kasi in the past, the department just focused on traditional rice farming areas. It did not actually focus on potential areas which are outside the typhoon belt. So it's a question of repositioning.
Okay.
Like what we're doing right now, yung kinakandak natin na national mapping. Diba? Which would indicate anong areas ang ideal for rice farming based on climatic conditions and all other factors which would affect
Pero
farming.
paano Secretary yung mga farmers na halimbawa nandun talaga sa mga typhoon zone areas? Paano gagawin sa kanila?
Well, they still have to go through with their lives, no? They still have to go through with their lives. Yun talagang nakaugalian na nila, hindi natin pwedeng patigilin yan. Pero yung nga sabi ko, to compensate for whatever damage there would be because of the typhoons, then we will have to refocus our attention on other areas.
Sir, katulad ng nangyari ngayon kay Typhoon Karen, na marami na devastated.
Mga 360 million pesos ang worth ng damage. And we're already attending to that.
Sir, halimbawa yung mga natumba, nadapa ng mga palay, hindi nila mabebenta sa regular price yun. Doon pumapasok yung mga abuse ng mga middle class na binibili nila ng mura.
And
Paano gagawin ng gobyerno doon?
Ito ko-cover dapat to ng insurance. Ay ko-cover dapat to ng insurance. And I have already instructed our regional offices to provide farmers whose crops were affected by the typhoon with free seeds and fertilizer support.
Sir, ba mabebenta pa naman nila yung kaya na binabarat sila ng mga middlemen? pwede bang pumasok doon ang DA para bilhin yun sa tamang
We cannot buy it. We're not.
Or the
we're not
NFA
involved.
Or the
maybe.
NFA.
NFA, yes, maybe. No, pero kami hindi kasi kami namimili ng palay.
But you can
Pero hindi
stop
kayo
the-
pwedeng makipag-coordinate with the NFA para kunin na lang nila para
Well,
hindi
we
masayang.
can talk to them because NFA is not under the DA actually. In fact, we're not even member of the NFA Council. The DA is not even member of the
But
NFA Council.
pwede kayo makipag-usap. sa
Well, of course, yes. Kausap ko naman sila kanina. That's a good idea. We can ask NFA to consider.
Para makabalik ba lang ba yung puhunan ng mga
at least,
makapagsimula ulit sa sunod na ano yan.
Sir, aside po dun sa seedlings, ano pa yung mga nakikita ninyo, yung na-envision ninyo na pwede ilong sa mga magsasaka para naman hindi sila ganito?
Well, we're looking at modern irrigation facilities. Sabi ko nga kanina, in a month's time, mag-operational yung first prototype ng solar irrigation. And pag nakita namin na talagang viable, and tingin ko naman viable, no? Kasi may working model yan eh. Merong operational model yan sa Amerika. We will actually allocate funds so that by next year, dadamihan namin yung mga irrigation na yan.
Secretary, doon sa pag nakita ninyong suporta ng NEDA sa kanang DOF, doon sa pagkontra ninyo sa lifting ng QR, sa tingin nyo ba papakinggan to ng Senate Committee?
It doesn't really, I don't really care whether they will listen or not. But I have to voice out the sentiments of the farmers. You have to understand that I represent the Filipino farmer. As Secretary of Agriculture, I represent the Filipino farmers. Kung pati ako na representative ng Filipino farmer, makikiayo na rin to sa tingin ko isang bagay na hindi makakapabuti sa mga farmers, then wala akong silbi bilang agriculture.
Sir, sa ngayon, anong nyo? Magkaroon ulit ng extension QR or...
Grace period lang hinihingi ko, 2 taon.
2 taon.
Para naman makarecover ng konti ang ating mga magsasaka. Kasi pagkatapos ng Yolanda, El Nino. Pagkatapos ito, bagyo na naman. Wala nga humpay, walang tigil eh. Yun na naman ang hinihingi natin na... Kasi ang problema din natin in the past, no? I do not have the habit of blaming people or pointing, accusing fingers at people. But government in the past failed to deliver. Nasaan ang irigasyon? Nasaan yung binhi? Nasaan yung abono? Nasaan yung marketing assistance para yung farmer hindi tulad ngayon na na naghahagilap sila kung sino bibili ng kanilang palay na basa.
Yun nga, sir.
Itong failures eh. And these are the things that we're trying to correct. Kaya nga, sabi ko nga kanina sa hearing, we really have to address these problems. We have to correct the mistakes of the past.
Yung bibili ng palay na basa, Mr. Say, yun yung sinabi ninyo kanina na makikipag-usap ni Senate.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much po,
Salamat
Secretary.
Salamat, sir.
Thank you.